Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to Let's Play Earthbound. Through the magic of turning off the recording, we skipped time so we can now enter. I really like this dungeon. Did you bring some fly honey? It's Master Belch's favorite. Yeah, I did, dude. Okay, you might pass through. Hey, be careful. Be sure you don't drop it. Just get off me, dude. Oh, these are also so adorable enemies, the Foppies. I love these little guys. Okay, level 24. I'm still worried I'm pretty underleveled. Oh, hey. Well, that's not too bad. Alright, let's just fuck up these zombies. Damn, I couldn't even get one of them. Okay, wait. I'm gonna do the same thing. Return to the dust of the earth. Hell yeah. Okay, I should probably heal up Jeff. Okay, level 20. What's in here? There's a bomb. Oh god, so many. Okay, we're getting some levels here though. Alright. This area really reminds me of Mother 1, but yo, I don't know if that picked up on the recording, but that just got my fucking Siri. I probably don't need. Well, let's just use the rocket anyways. It's fine. But yeah, I never really played Mother 1 or Earthbound 0, but I've seen screenshots. It looks cool. I heard there's like really high enemy encounter rates, and I don't know. I'm a fan of the grindy RPGs. This game is pretty grindy, but I love Mother, so one day I'll play it, I guess. I don't know. I've still, I've never beaten this game. This is me trying to beat this game officially. At some point I'm gonna merge this with my abandoned play file that I want to pick up on. And in that one I'm super over leveled, so I can't wait for that. Basically I'm just trying to get through the game until I can record on that save file, and then I think I said that before, I'm sorry if I'm repeating myself. This is looking real low on power points. IQ capsule. I'm gonna give that to Jeff because this motherfucker is dumb as shit. Gotta get the smarts up. What's his stats? 21. I forget the number. I gotta look up the number that he needs, but I don't know if it's 21. Do you think I'm gonna give him the broken laser though? So many foppies. They're even coming down from upstairs. They're like, hey guys, I got your back. I think I can save the PP on Paula, just bash. Yeah, even if she misses. Okay, we're getting some XP here. Thankfully. I see, they still want to fight. These guys are so adorable. I love these guys. I want to buy the Hobonichi mother plush of them. I guess we can just bash her. What's this? Mr. Saturn on the factory line. Dude's on the main line. They got him chained up. Erp, it's hard to make the gross sounds that Master Belch does. I know he can't do it. Well, could you move out of the way? I want to talk to this Saturn worker. Ah, so honest smile, boing. He likes his honest job. Tired, but so good, dang. Nothing like a hard day's work for Mr. Saturn at the Master Belch factory. Master Belch is the slimiest. However, I heard he's also serving some Gygas guy that I cannot believe. Dude, he's the slimiest, dude. He's gonna slime me out. Oh, fuck. I don't think I've actually fought either of these ones yet, so... Not that I particularly want to. Stinky breath. Doesn't that mean I can't really hit my PSI attacks? Oh, never mind. What's the thing that does that? Or does it do the opposite? I can't do a rockin'. What does flash do? Honestly, I don't even know. I just use rockin'. Oh, made him cry. Alright, let's just kill this guy. And his stinky ass breath. Should I freeze him? Set it back. Well. Are we still crying? Nah. Let's use a peanut cheese bar. Level 22. Is there anything over here? Oh yeah, hold up. I know what we're doing now. Sure, the ones who destroyed the zombies that I assigned to Threed. Well, fuck you, dude. Well, I guess now I can try to freeze up. Oh yeah, that does way more damage. Damn, Paula can't move. I told her like Paulus or some shit. Do nothing. Oh my god. Why so much damage, dude? Vital capsule. And HP sucker. And calorie stick. I don't know if this is the right strat, but everything except the IQ I always feed to Ness, and then I just feed all the IQ stuff to Jeff. Uh-oh. This might be the end of it, because I don't have any PP. I was kind of hoping I could get to the magic butterfly. Oh damn, Jeff is really low. Okay, oh shit, wait. I'm selling right now. Let's just attack this slimy little pile. Please kill it. Okay. Oh god, don't kill Paula. Stop saying something nasty, dude. It's not nice. Come on, you guys, you can do it. There we go. Oh, baby. Alright, hold up. Oh my god, there's so many foppies, dude. I'm gonna have to run past that master belch. Or whatever they're called. Alright. I think I get invincibility frames, I'm just gonna run. Nice. I need to heal. Can I like reuse this? Like, if I do that? Dude, that's awesome. Oh, it's a dream come true. This has got to be like one of the best PowerPoints healing up places like in the game. It's crazy. Damn, I don't have much left. Well, I guess, you know what, let's use life up instead. Yeah, let's use life up. Let's go back and get that back as well. you the fly honey delivery boy? What's the password? Doesn't mean I don't trust you, just say it. Say it now. Someone so quiet is either extremely shy or extremely dangerous. What a suspicious fellow. Oh, finally I can just use PSI freeze. Easy. Oh shit. Oh shit. Alright, I gotta save state here. I'm still pretty low level, you know. Burp. So you are Ness? I see. Gyork. There's a prophecy that a boy will destroy Master Gygas. He. You make me laugh so hard. If Master Gygas is scared of someone, he would have to be worse than the greatest evil. Garg. I'll take you down big time, so get ready for the worst fight of your life. Fuck you, dude. Get ready to feel the pain of true nausea. Come on, let's go. No, you let's go, dude. Alright. Let's use the fly honey. I guess let's use a big ass freeze. I'm gonna shoot off these bottle rockets. Should I use a rockin'? How much is a bash gonna do? Also, Jeff missing the bottle rocket. Come on, bro. He's wolfing down fly honey. There you go. Fucking lost his mind wolfing down that fly honey. Let's go. 4,000 experience. Looks like it was an even fight, burp. But Master Gygas has managed to get the Mani statue into Foresight. The city will soon be in worse condition than living in your own puke. Suffer Spanky. Gaga, burp. Get fucked, dude. I didn't even need a save state. What am I worried for? I escaped. Zoom. Burp. Boing. Goody. Burp. We saved them. You worn down? Ah, boing, burp, barf. Stinky, PU. Wow. You just gonna call us stinky? Go in hot spring, wash, barf off your body. Longer ladder. Can go to hot springs. Alright. I'm gonna talk to the... You know what? Let's talk to these guys down here first, because I want to talk to them first. All home, Zoom. Appreciate. I so happy, Zoom. Hell yeah. We made them so happy. Well, yeah, I'm gonna mute my mic for this part, because this guy, he really says some crazy shit, so... Drink coffee before go. Say yes to me. Say no to me. Yes. Bottoms up, boing. Yeah, I'm gonna mute my mic because it goes on for a little bit. I'm just gonna let it play out. Dude, I don't know what was in that coffee, but that was trippy, man. I think he laced us. Well, anyways, peace out, you guys. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Hope you all have a good day.